we have Suzuki Swift Remote Control. It's not working. If we slide the little slider across the back, we can pop out the safety key. This key can be used to start the vehicle, putting it into the ignition. We're going to open it up, put a screwdriver in the back of the remote and just slowly prise it open. So suspecting the battery's gone flat on this one, if we just pop a screwdriver underneath the battery, we can just lift it up gently, pop it out of the casing. It's a CR2032 battery. So we've got a new one here. We've took it out the casing, out the packet, and let's pop it into the base of the remote. Positive side facing down, and then we'll put the top back on, just checking, making sure it's all clean and tidy inside, and just click it back together. There we go, the little red light's coming on. Pop the security key back in again. All working, job's a good one. If this video's been of any help to you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.